Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector and disconnect the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the RTC battery. Disconnect the RTC battery from its connector on the system board. Using a flat-bladed tool, remove the RTC battery from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the RTC battery into position on the top cover and press down on the RTC battery to adhere it to the top cover. Connect the RTC battery into its connector on the system board. Insert the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable into the fingerprint reader board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Press down on the fingerprint reader board ribbon cable to adhere it to the RTC battery.